Ndị Igbo, Olukwe Ọzọ, the Congress of Igbo Leaders UK presents the Igbo Festival of Arts and Culture. From the shores of Arochukwu to the hills of Enugu, down to the civilization of Nre Kingdom, we have come again to present the Igbo Festival of Arts and Culture, a day that you will never forget. Igbo culture par excellence, dance, drama, masquerades, the Igbo cultural play, traditional dances, traditional artists, ihe ọwụla eji mara Igbo mbọsị aha ka ọ na-eme. 12th of July 2014, Asengogwa mmadụ jiri anya gị bịa nene. Venue, Jubilee Park, Edmonton, London N9 7RH. Time, 11 to 7 p.m. This event is free. For sponsorship and participation, email congressofigboleadersuk@gmail.com. Telephone 07877805682. Ndị Igbo, olu onene n'omume.